Hi guys, welcome to RK IT HELPDESK. In this session, we are going to learn about how to sign in Office 365. In last video, we learned about how to sign off in Office 365. So let's check how to sign in Office 365. Okay. Before beginning, just please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for get the latest videos notification. So let's start. Go to Google and type Office 365 login. Click on this www.office.com. Okay, and there are two options for sign in here: sign in and icon sign in. Okay, just put here your email ID rk@02. Just click on next, put the password, click on sign in. Okay, some instruction for use the Office 365 account. Just read the instruction and click on new slide, next slide, next slide. Okay. Okay, we are signed in. So this is a dashboard of your account. I have assigned this user basic license. Means it has a email, OneDrive, online Word, Excel, PowerPoint. We don't have a offline office for this. We can use Word, Excel with web access. Okay. Also we have a Teams, OneNote, SharePoint, bookings. Okay. Okay. If you have a desktop version licenses, you can click this install office option and you will get their download office 365, so you can download it and install. Okay, just you can access your outlook. Okay, if you want to use excel, you can open excel here. Okay, new or blank workbook. So the excel is open, so you can create your sheet and save it in your SharePoint. Okay, mail is open. Okay, you can input your data here and save it in uh, your OneDrive. Means it's SharePoint. It will automatically save to SharePoint. You can name it your Excel. You can name here your Excel sheet. I will name RK01. Okay. You can name anything. See, it is renamed here. Also, you can use Word, PowerPoint on same. PowerPoint. Okay. You can use Easy also. If you have good internet, you can use it easily. In this video, we learn about how to sign in Office 365 and how to use apps. Okay, if you like the video, please do comment and share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe RK IT Help Desk. Thank you for watching.